Welcome to Pacific Staffing. In this video, we'll learn to review timesheets in our timesheet portal, approve submitted time for payroll, and reject timesheets that require a revision. When you hire your first employee with Pacific Staffing, you'll receive login credentials for our online timesheet system. Make sure to check your spam mail if you don't see the email. Your username will be your work email address on file with Pacific Staffing. You can reach the timesheet portal via the link in the email or on our website at the top. If you visit our website by mobile phone, you can access the portal with our drop-down menu. Once logged in, you'll see your name and your company's name at the top left. On the right-hand side, you'll see a drop-down menu to change your password or log out. The third option, assigning a secondary approver, is handled by Pacific Staffing internally. A secondary backup approver is useful if you'll be out of the office and would like another manager to approve timesheets. To make that change, please reach out to our staff directly. In the center of the screen, you'll find a drop-down menu called Status. By default, you'll see timesheets waiting to be approved when you log in. But you can also filter by rejected timesheets, previously approved timesheets, and any timesheets that are still in progress. The last status, time clocks, refers to physical time clocks we have at your facility. For most clients, this status is not relevant. In progress, timesheets are timesheets that the employee is still working on and has yet to submit the timesheet to you for final approval. Once the employee submits their timesheet, you'll see it under the Awaiting Approval status. Currently, Mitchell has 2 timesheets for 2 separate roles, one for shipping clerk and one for his role as a warehouse operator. He's submitted his timesheet for the warehouse operator role, so we can review it for final approval. Note that the timesheet period column indicates the week of the time submitted. Hit the pencil icon to bring up the timesheet. You'll see the time in, time out, and lunch periods for each day. If all looks good, we can now approve the time. Close the pop-up and check the box next to Mitchell's name. Now, from the Actions menu, select Approve. The system will send the approved time straight to our payroll department. Let's do the same process with Bobby. Upon reviewing Bobby's timesheet, you notice that he forgot to log his lunch hours. Instead of approving the hours, you can select Reject from the Action menu. Enter the reason for rejecting the timesheet, and Bobby will be notified that he needs to make a correction to his time card. Now that Bobby correctly submitted his time, we can approve the timesheet. Once you've finished reviewing all timesheets, you're good to go, and our team has the green light to process payroll. Looking back, you've seen how to log into our timesheet system, review timesheets, and approve and reject timesheets. Thank you for your business, and we're excited to help with your staffing needs.